Hey guys, homesteading cheaper by the dozen. With a quick video to show how to improve a tow dolly. This belongs to a friend of ours, and it's been a real blessing to be able to use it. They've let us use it to haul multiple vehicles. You can see how this is bent down. When he first got it, slide that back, that was bent almost down to the ground, and this whole thing was bent up in the center. It was pretty rough shape, so he let us do some work on it and then let us use it a bit. But the first thing we did is we put a car down on the bottom ramps, had the tongue hooked up to a vehicle, and then we put a bottle jack under this corner right here and jacked that up, and that kind of straightened it out a bit. But the problem with these dollies is they're not supported on beyond this position right here. So we went back in and added, that's a little skid plate, we went back in and added about 5 to 6 inches of steel and then a piece of angle iron underneath of it on either side, and that improved it tremendously. And then we got it leveled out, put some angle iron in here, and it's kind of some cheeky welds, but we did the best we could to stiffen it up, because these things want to fold up. They only hinge off of that pivot point right there, and once it's fatigued and you get any weight at all, it wants to curl back and fold up kind of in a V shape. So we stiffened it up there. And then another thing we did to keep it from picking up, like you can see how it just flops loose, I went underneath and put a chain to where that chain wraps all the way under this beam and then back over there, so it can still pivot back and forth like it's supposed to, but that chain will limit how high that foot pad can actually pull up. So that's just a little quick tip on what you can do to improve on a tow dolly. I'm sure they make these a little bit stouter, but this one here, you can get a lot more use out of it with just a little bit of extra metal and a little bit of work. So give us a thumbs up, like and subscribe. Have a good day.